Trust me, I know the title of this video sounds so stupid, but for many years, I was putting on my bra incorrectly, and I figured I might as well get on here and let you know how to do it the right way. Welcome back to the Bra Addict. My name is Alexa, and in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to put on your bra correctly. And there are 3 steps. Step 1, place the bra right side up against your body. Very important, right side up. Hook the bra at the back at the loosest setting right underneath your underbust. If you have trouble reaching the back, I understand. I've been there. You can hook the bra in front and then twist it around. But you should never hook a bra upside down in the front, because then you'll have to flip the cups upwards towards your chest, and doing that damages the integrity of the underwire. It can also damage your molded cups. So we never want to do that. Good news here, steps 2 and 3 can be done in any order. So step 2 is bend forward, use one hand to scoop your breast tissue, and with the other hand, you'll want to adjust the underwire to fit perfectly underneath your inflammatory fold. I always say that word wrong. It's basically the fold where your breast tissue and your chest meet. You'll want the underwire to lie flat against the rib cage, not your breast tissue. That's very important, especially in the inner part of your bra, which is called the gore. If after all of these steps you get quad boobing, then you are definitely wearing a cup size too small. Notice that even without the straps, if you've done step 2 second, your bra should still stay up and hold you. Put your straps on and tighten them or loosen them to a 2-finger tension, which means you can just fit only 2 fingers underneath. Tip for ladies with prominent tails of Spence, I like to stick my hand and just pull the tail of Spence in so that, you know, you have some nice smooth lines at the beginning of the day. Double check in the mirror that everything is in place and you're good to go. Next time on the Bra Addict, I'm gonna show you how to find your real bra size. Hit the like button if you liked this video and subscribe for more bra related content. See you in the next one. Bye.